Inkjet versus LaserJet printer. Which one you should buy in 2026? If you're confused between buying an inkjet or a LaserJet printer, don't worry, you're not alone. A lot of people buy the wrong printer simply because they don't understand the real difference between the two. So, in this video, I'll quickly explain how both printers work, their pros and cons, which one is actually worth buying in 2026. Let's get started. How do they work? Inkjet printers spray tiny droplets of liquid ink directly onto paper. That's why they are excellent for colorful prints and photos. LaserJet printer use laser technology and dry toner powder fused with heat. This makes them much faster and better for document printing. Now, let's compare one by one based on key four factors. Print quality. If you print photos, graphics, or colorful designs, inkjet printers are better option. They produce richer colors, smoother gradients, and better image detail. But if you mostly print text documents like PDF, assignments, invoices, or office files, laser printers give you sharper and cleaner text quality. Print speed. Most home and office laser printers can easily print around 30 pages per minute, while some business models can even achieve 50 to 100 pages per minute. Inkjet printers are slower because they print line by line using liquid ink. On average, many inkjet printers print around 5 to 10 pages per minute for normal documents. Print volume. If you print occasionally, an inkjet printer is usually enough. But if your office, shop, or business prints hundreds of pages every week, laser printers are built for heavy workloads. They handle bulk printing more efficiently and usually require less maintenance. That's one reason most offices prefer laser printers. Running cost. This is where many people make mistakes. Inkjet printers are usually cheaper to buy initially. You can find good all-in-one inkjet printers at affordable prices, but ink cartridges run out faster. Some cartridges only last 200 to 400 pages, which increases the long-term printing cost. Laser printers cost more upfront, but toner cartridges can print thousands of pages, sometimes over 4,000 pages on a single toner. That makes laser printers much cheaper per page in the long run. So, lower upfront cost, inkjet. Lower long-term cost, laser. Maintenance. Inkjet printers need regular use. If you don't use them for weeks, ink can dry up and clog the printhead. That's a common issue many home users face. Laser printers use dry powder, so they usually require less maintenance and more reliable for long-term use. Final verdict. Which one you should buy? Buy an inkjet printer if you print photos and colorful designs. You want better quality. You need an affordable all-in-one printer. Your printing needs are moderate. Buy a laser printer if you print a lot of documents regularly. You want fast printing speeds. You mainly print text documents. You want lower cost per page over time. You need reliable high volume printing. At the end of the day, the best printer depends on your personal use case, not just the price tag. If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.